sexy bird. Hi, sexy bird. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hi, good boy. Hi. Oh, what a good kisser. Hi, Rocky. You're such a good kisser. La 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 la. Hi, and how are you today? How are you today, Rocky? Are you being a good bird? Are you being a good dancing bird? Hi, Rocky. Oh, you're dancing good, huh? What a good dancer you are. Hi, Rocky. Hi, how are you, Rocky? Are you okay? Are you okay? Whoops, whoa, you just fell off. You just about slipped off my arm, little bird. Where you want to go, outside for a minute? There you go. Here he is. Hope he sees his cage is all clean. Oh, you like it up here, eh, Rocky? But I gotta go finish drying my hair, buddy. Pretty bird up there now. There's a pretty bird. There's a pretty bird. Hi, how are you? How are you? You okay? You're a pretty sexy bird. You're a pretty sexy bird up there, you know. Oh, you like your clean cage? Hi. Hi. Can I take your cage in? Can I take your cage in now?